Alright everyone, coming in from a different angle today. Now I'm at the north end of the greenhouse, and to the side you can see there, and a hoop house, and it comes over, it'll be over to that little stick. You can't quite make it in here, maybe you can in the on there, but so we're gonna go inside. That stake right there represents this point, and we come in. That's the 60-foot mark. That's the end. That's all the way down. I now have 60 feet of my east wall standing. Not all the way in, the steel's just there, but you know, as you can see further on, all those 2x holding the steel in place. I don't have that yet, and I have spool kind of keeping that one upright, but the greenhouse keeping that one. And we have a nice shot of the greenhouse, and this is going to come out of here just like the other side has. Come around, and that's a temporary one from there to there. That'll be replaced like the one you see right there. That's the 4x6. This one here will be a 4x6 when I put in a post right there. So now you can see some of the spools going down the middle. These are going to continue on behind me. We're really making some progress here. Quick shot of the chickens and their yard. How that's starting to come along. This is where we're going to be. Anyway, thanks for watching.